Hey beautiful, let's get real. Periods show up every month, but no one really teaches us how to handle them. We get a cartoon pamphlet in 5th grade, then we're on our own. Most of us just figure it out through awkward moments and chocolate binges. But here's the truth. A lot of the discomfort and stress we feel isn't just normal. Sometimes it's caused by small mistakes we don't even realize we're making. We've been taught to just power through, but what if we could actually make it better? Today, I'm breaking down 5 common period mistakes and how to fix them with love and confidence. You deserve to feel supported, not stressed. This isn't about being perfect, it's about being informed and empowered. So grab your heating pad, get comfy, and let's dive in. Let's take control of our cycles together. Mistake number 1, ignoring your body's signals. We push through fatigue, pop painkillers, and keep grinding. But your body is trying to get your attention. Ignoring these signals is like driving with the check engine light on. The fix? Start tracking your cycle. Not just the dates, but your energy, mood, cravings, and sleep. When you spot patterns, you can prepare instead of being blindsided. If you're exhausted, swap that intense workout for a gentle walk or yoga. Cramps that knock you out aren't just part of the deal. They're a signal to slow down and care for yourself. Don't just numb the pain, listen to it. Tuning into your body is self-respect. When you and your body are on the same team, you're unstoppable. So start listening. Your body has wisdom to share. Track, notice, and respond with kindness. You'll feel more in control and less at war with yourself. That's the foundation for a healthier, happier period. Let's move on to mistake number 2. Mistake 2, using the wrong period products or using them wrong. We grab the same tampons or pads out of habit, but your body and flow change over time. Using the wrong product can mean leaks, irritation, or even health risks. Golden rule: change your products regularly. Don't let bacteria crash your party. Find what fits your flow. 2 absorbent tampons can cause dryness, 2 light ones can leak. Explore your options. Menstrual cups, period underwear, and reusable pads are game changers. Menstrual cups can last up to 12 hours and are eco-friendly. Period underwear is comfy, reliable, and perfect for lighter days or overnight. Don't just stick with what you know. Experiment and find what makes you feel confident. Your period care should fit your life, not the other way around. Read reviews, ask friends, and upgrade your routine. You deserve comfort and security every month. Don't settle for less. Let's talk about food next. On to mistake number 3. Mistake 3, eating foods that make your symptoms worse. When cramps hit, we crave salt, sugar, and caffeine. But those can actually intensify bloating, mood swings, and cramps. Salty snacks make you retain water, which means more bloating. Sugar spikes and crashes mess with your mood and increase inflammation. Too much caffeine can worsen cramps and make you feel jittery. The fix? Make mindful swaps. Try lightly salted nuts or popcorn instead of chips. Reach for dark chocolate or fruit when you want something sweet. Swap coffee for green tea to cut back on caffeine. And drink plenty of water. Hydration is your period's best friend. Small changes can make a huge difference in how you feel. Be kind to your body from the inside out. Fuel yourself with foods that support you. Now let's talk about breaking the silence. Mistake 4, not talking about your period. We're taught to keep it secret, but silence leads to shame and misinformation. Millions of us go through this every month. You're not alone. Start small. Talk to your friends. You'll find support and great advice. Be open with your partner or family. They can't help if they don't know what you're experiencing. Most importantly, talk to a doctor if your symptoms are severe or unusual. Don't downplay your pain or irregular cycles. Conditions like endometriosis and PCOS often go undiagnosed because we're told to just deal with it. You are the expert on your body. Keep a symptom diary and advocate for yourself. Your voice matters. Use it. Let's make periods a conversation, not a secret. The more we talk, the more we learn and support each other. Don't suffer in silence. Now let's wrap up with self-care. Mistake 5, skipping self-care during your period. We see rest as laziness, but your body is working hard. It needs kindness. Self-care doesn't mean spa days, unless you want that. It's about small, intentional acts. Take a warm bath, use a heating pad, or just slow down. Let yourself feel your emotions. It's normal to be more sensitive. Journal, watch a comforting movie, or listen to calming music. Rest is healing, not weakness. Canceling plans or choosing a quiet night in is honoring your needs. Build a period self-care kit. Tea, a cozy blanket, a good book, dark chocolate. When your period comes, you'll be ready to treat yourself with love. Being gentle with yourself is true strength. You're not failing, you're thriving. Make self-care a priority every cycle. Let's finish strong. There you have it. 5 common period mistakes and how to fix them. Now you have the knowledge and power to make small changes that transform your cycle. Wellness isn't about perfection. It's about awareness and kindness. Your period is part of your powerful, beautiful body. Work with it, not against it, and you'll feel more empowered every month. Embrace rest, eat the dark chocolate, and talk about your experience. If this helped, subscribe to Glownest for more real solutions. We're learning and growing together, one cycle at a time. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.